Hey. Welcome, welcome. How's my crazy cat lady fams? This is Beth Carrera here, right back at you with another amazing video. And guess what I'm going to share with you? I'm going to share what my new opportunity is. I kind of was touching base on it in my last video that I was munching out of McDonald's. So I joined Beauty Society, and my mom helped me with it because we're co-partners. She helped me on getting this box. I'm so thrilled. And this box is a beauty box. It has, this company has all natural beauty products. I'm telling all natural. No fake crap here. So, I have, of course, I'm going to show you, I'm unboxing the kit that I got. And this is what the kit looks like. It comes with a swag item and then a catalog. And the swag item that I got is, it's like a little rubber mug. I put my beauty brushes in here, I think, and keep them aside. So that is cute. Of course, the catalog. It even has men products in here, which is really cool. And what's cool about this company, every time you buy a refill, they don't just give you the whole entire bottle back. Every time you, and I'll show you the refills, every time you buy a refill, they plant a tree. Isn't that cute? Love, love, love. And this is all the, you know, all what they are. I'll read it to you because it's probably backwards. Cruelty-free, no animal testing, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfite-free, eco-friendly product refills, tree planting partnership, made in the USA, which they make it in Huntington Beach, California. Renew, rebuild, and transfer skin, skincare, cosmetics, and fragrance. Highest performing ingredients, 100% satisfaction guarantee. 12-month guarantee on skincare. 30-day guarantee on cosmetics. Superior customer service, direct to customer shipping. I mean, you can't get anything else for a whole year on skincare products, guaranteed. How? I mean, that's never possible. And 30 days for makeup? That's great. And it is so, so cool. I mean, it even shows here the 12-month guarantee and 30-day guarantee. Skincare, makeup. Really, really cool. You can't go, and they have a lot of, I'm wearing right now, the foundation. It is so light. I slept in it and everything, and it doesn't feel thick. Foundation, like you have a mask on. It feels like I have like nothing on. And let me see. Let me find the foundation. They have collections. All kinds of stuff to help your it's anti-aging skincare products. So I'm wearing the 10 Perfect 10 liquid foundation. They have concealer, which I want to try that. Really, really cool. So they have everything you could think of. Really awesome products. I'm loving it. I tried their cleanser today, and I really enjoyed it. This is the Set Me Free Pore Clearing Cleanser. Really, really cool. I love this, and it's so fresh, and it has like the ingredients. I mean, I know it's hard to see, but it's all natural ingredients in here. I can't even see what they are because I'm blind. And then I got the Saving Anti-Aging Foaming Facial Mask with Advanced STX. Ooh, it feels like it's dark or something. Sorry about that. Got a little dark. So I got this. I'm going to go do this. I'm going to make a video for you all with doing this. So watch out for that. Probably do that tomorrow. Then in this kit, I got the refill. Okay, this is what they mean by buying a refill for any of your skincare products. You buy this refill and they plant a tree. Every refill that you buy, so you pour it in, so you're not buying these, it's good for the environment. You're not keep buying these plastic containers. So you just pour it in and that's it, which is really cool. So every time you buy a refill, they plant a tree in the rainforest. And then you get a whole different, you could tell I was using one today. I was trying to figure out what color, not the deep colors, but. So they give you all these little testers for the foundation. That's what I used. And I barely did, really barely used it. And I just love it. This is so light. I'm telling you, I'm in love with these products. Just a little bit. And I got the liquid lip. They gave me a darker, like more of a brownie shade. But it comes with a little mirror. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And look at how amazing this is. A light. To be able to put your lipstick on. Look at that. And this stuff wears really, really good. I love this. I just like the fact that you can use this to kind of put it on. Really, really cool. So I got all of these products for $59. We're doing a pre-launch on this, and $59 plus tax and, you know, free shipping. You get all of these products, and it's really cool. You get unlimited discount codes for your influencers, which is your friends, to share. And you get ground floor opportunity. Opportunities for the first ever network marketing influencer program, which is awesome. An easy duplicated training system. And the influencer program is so cool. It's never been done before that I know of. And you can give a coupon code to a friend. And you ask them, hey, this is for the subscription boxes, would you like to get a free box? And they said, yeah, I would like a free box. So you share with 5 of your friends and give 5 of your friends the discount code, and they purchase the subscription box, which has, like I say, swag, all these products in there, and every month it will, you know, it will be different. It will have a new product every month. So you get 5 of your friends to purchase it. And once they do, you get the box free. You get a subscription box for free. I mean, and each person that buys the subscription box, it will light up on the computer saying, oh, would you like a free box? And then they'll give a code to that person. So just say 5 people get coupon codes, and then they want their free box, and each one of them shares the coupon code with 5 of their friends, and it just rolls over. You're not really even doing anything. So, and what's great about this too is not only are you getting the products in people's hands, I see, this is what I want to work out. I mean, look at this. And usually when I put on foundation, it goes in the creases. And I'm telling you, this foundation is life. Life itself. I love this. Look at this. So I just wanted to share the opportunity. So if anybody would like to join me on this adventure, you can. And I will share in the description how to sign up. And I'll definitely share that with you. So, like I say, Papa Free Skincare and Cosmetics, brand new beauty box release each month with new products made in the USA, which is another plus, made in the USA. A tree is planted with every refill sold, Bonus income starting at just $500 in company volume, up to $55 commission on personal sales. I mean, what? All the other companies I worked for before was 25%, up to 55%, and I believe the 55% is when you have a team, but I think it's like 48 you could do without a team. I mean, come on, no brainer. This is really great stuff. So far, I'm loving this cleanser. I need it, and I want to do like for the wrinkles. So once I get those products in my hands, I will show them, you know, show them to you and show you what the results are. And we can have like a, each day I'll keep putting it, I'll put it on and say day 1, and then show you in a week what it looks like. I mean, because look at how deep these freaking things are. This is crazy. And I do have crow's feet. And they also have stuff for your, any problem you have, I'm telling you, they got it. Any problem. Look at the puffy. I mean, you can't see it so much because I have foundation, but I have redness on my cheeks, blotches, and all that. And they have products for everything to help you with everything. So, awesome, awesome, awesome. So, with that said, I just wanted to do this unboxing and on my new adventure, and I'm definitely going to be sharing with you all what's going on. If you have any questions, definitely comment below, and I can try to answer them for you. This is a brand new company that for us here. I mean, it's been around for 15 years, but she's only had like 600 advisors / presenters, because that's what basically they are, presenters, but the advisors they call them in this business. So they only have 600, and she's been around, the founder's been around for 15 years, and she's 55, and she was sick and tired of every anti-aging product stating they do what they do, and they don't. So she got the best of the best to put in these products for wrinkle care, all these anti-aging stuff, and they do work. She stands by her product, which is awesome. Stands by her product. It's not like, you know, oh, they work, oh yeah, and you try it and they don't do shit. So they do work. That's why she put a year guarantee on it, on the you know, serums and the masks and all that. So, with that said, I'm going to conclude this video. I am so excited about this opportunity I have. And a lot of the people I know from my previous company that I did a long time ago, actually, is actually doing this with me. So, definitely, like I said, you can comment below, ask me any questions. It's only $59. $59 to start, $9.99, just say $10 to keep your back office open, which is your computer, you know, to do your business. And what's so good about it, I can't conclude this. This is too freaking exciting. That you do not need, I forgot to mention, I gotta mention this. You don't need to have a certain amount of volume of sales to keep this business open. You pay the $9.99 a month, and that's it. So if you have a death in the family or something going on and you don't do it for 2 months, and you just feel blah, or you're sick, or something's going on, you had surgery, whatever, and you don't do it for 2 months, you're not going to lose your business. Your business is still going to be there. Hey, Dad. So that is like so mind-blowing, because every single company that I've been through is you have to have a certain amount of sales, and you better hurry up, and you know, all this stuff, and or you'll lose your business and everything. And I lost recently my paparazzi business because I didn't like buy $300 worth of sales or something to keep it open, which who has $300 laying around? Not me. So with that said, I'm gonna conclude this video, and in the description, I'm gonna put in the pre-launch link, and whoever wants to jump on this with me, go ahead. I will be happy to be with you, to support you on this journey. We can definitely connect through Facebook and message each other, and I just happy. I hope that you all are down with me on this, because I would be excited to have you come along with this journey with me. And I'm telling you, I am so over the moon about this, and this is, I think, going to be awesome. I mean, especially in your 50s, and if you start younger in your 40s or almost 40s, it's better to start younger, to start 35, to start doing the anti-aging, so you don't get to this point with these freaking wrinkles. So, anyways, I love you, and I hope you be yourself and be healthy, and stay in your house through these crazy times. I don't want nobody getting that. You know what? I guess I can't say it on here, So anyways, I love you, and I will see you on the next video, and that'll be tomorrow. Love you.
All right. Okay.